Okay, in lesson 2.7, we're looking at data. All right, so we're going to input some numbers. So I'll just say x equals, now we want the user to put in an integer. At least in this case, I'm going to go with an integer. It's an input, so I type in input. And I'm going to use my quotation marks. We'll say enter a number, and then I like putting that space in there. Okay, now I'm going to copy this. And I want to paste it one more time. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and go with 4. Now I need to change each of my variables. Whoops. Go Y, let's back this up, say Z. And I'll circle back around to the beginning of the alphabet and call that one A. Okay, so we're going to input 4 integers. Now I want to look for the smallest number. Okay, so our output, anytime we got an output, we type our print, then our parentheses. Now I want to let the user know that this is the smallest number. So I'll say smallest number is, then I want to put a space in there. Well, let's go ahead and put a colon, then a space. Now remember, anytime we're printing a number with letters, that's a string, we need to convert the number to a string. Okay. STR for string. Now I want this to be the minimum number, so I'm going to type in min. Then another set of parentheses. Now I just put my variables in there, separated by commas, and that min function is going to look for the smallest of those numbers. So I've got X, Y, Z, and A. Okay, so now if I run this code, it's a little bit bigger. Let's go 30, 22, 51, and 18. Okay, the smallest number is 18. And I think that should be enough information to get you through 2.7.